like to keep the, taking the top layer of leaves off and using that for mulch. And there's one plant in here, and it still has this like red. So I'm gonna keep that one. Hopefully it does something this year. All the rest of them are like just, they look pretty much like that. Just, I don't know, horrible. But this one, if you guys can see, right here, it's red. So I don't know, I'm not a strawberry expert, but I'm going to keep it and see if it actually does something. So that was some bone meal that I put in. I'm not sure if it's gonna do anything for the plant, but can't hurt, right? Just giving the soil some extra benefits. I'm gonna put some blood meal and some worm castings in here later on. I'm still finding strawberry plants, so I'm just gonna go in with my fingers and see if I can pull up all the old ones so it doesn't interfere with the new ones that I'm about to plant. Okay, so this is that one strawberry plant. And I'm gonna put the other one over here. And it's only one crown. And I'm just gonna press it down a little bit, trying not to cover the crown. Just like that. And then I will put the other one so that right there, guys, that is just a the fabric that I put in so that all the soil would not fall out. Look at those roots. All right, and there you have it. We get these watered in. Still trying to make sure that this one is not all right. We have them watered in, and I'm just going to put this layer of mulch that I had on back on. So it has been watered in real good. Make sure not to cover this crown right here. And there you have it, my friends. My strawberry plants. I'm gonna get, no, maybe I'll just leave this like this. With these three, this one looks, I see green on it, so I'm hopeful that this one right here will come up. So I'm just gonna leave these three in here just like this and clean this area up. This on over. Oh shoot, don't fall. Can't break I already broke the new one. This one is hanging on for dear life. So, slide that one to the back. And so there you have it, my friends. That is my strawberry plant. Ready to give me some delicious strawberries. All right.